This boy's palms have a high temperature of 1000 degrees. Touching fabric will immediately ignite it, and touching ice cubes will instantly melt them into hot water. When he tries to crack an egg, the egg is instantly boiled. It all started a few minutes ago. In a house full of life, Adam was preparing a birthday card for his dad. Today was his dad's birthday, and he was very attentive to his dad's birthday gift. His dad, busy with experiments, often didn't have time to accompany Adam, but Adam still loved his dad very much. Dad's experiment failed again this time. It was already unknown how many failures this was. He left the room in a daze, ignoring Adam beside him. Adam felt a little lost. Suddenly, he had an idea. He took out a comic book and made a birthday banner according to the example in the comic book. However, while hanging it up, he accidentally knocked over a potion. The potion spilled all over Adam's hands. Adam didn't pay attention to it, but when he picked up the fallen banner, he found that the banner was actually ignited by his hands. Adam leaned on the table to get up, but he found that 2 handprints were quickly scorched on the tabletop. Looking at his scorching hands, he quickly put them into the nearby pool, but it had no effect. Adam was a little scared. He went to get some ice cubes, but the ice cubes quickly melted as well. Having no choice, Adam decided to make a cake for his dad first. He wanted to make his dad happy. He put the butter he found into a bowl, and the wrapping paper instantly burned to ashes. The second step was to add eggs. Adam cracked the eggs into the bowl, but as soon as his hands touched the eggs, they were cooked. Suddenly, he thought of a good idea. He used a tool to suck out the egg liquid and then added it to the bowl. This method was very successful. The third step required adding white sugar. He was about to use tongs to pick out the white sugar, but he found that the tongs had melted as well. He turned around and saw a pair of gloves. Adam quickly put them on and then poured the white sugar into the bowl. Soon, the gloves were also melted by the heat. The clever Adam quickly thought of a solution. He scorched a hole in the box so that the white sugar could flow smoothly into the bowl. Then, he turned on the mixer, mixed thoroughly, added milk, and put it in the oven. Adam happily waited for the cake to be ready. At this moment, his dad walked in. Seeing the mess in the room, he was stunned. Adam looked at his dad guiltily. Just as he was about to blame Adam, he noticed the handprints on the table, the burned gloves, and the empty medicine bottle. Dad immediately understood what had happened. At this point, Adam brought out the baked cake and then lowered his head guiltily. Dad was moved by Adam's thoughtfulness. He cooperated with Adam to light the candles.